show up. But now that you've shown up, actually participate. Some ways you can participate at your grade school. Let's keep your grade 2 level of participation. Like in class. Have you worked and helped out with grade 1s and 2s? You've seen them in class. Every time the teacher asks them a question, you used to be like this. You would do this. Pick me. Oh, come on, pick me. Remember how excited you were to learn in grade 2? Come on. I mean, for you, education was a game show. Learning. That's a prize you can take home every night, Tigers, put on the fridge with magnets. But there was one problem. Remember how tired your arm would get in grade 2, folks? Remember? You had to use your other arm to hold it up. Come on. How many here you use your desk? Pick me. How many would use your head? Come on. How many would do the reverse headlock like he just did? And then when the teacher actually picked you, Andy, I forgot. Now quickly, it was like, next question, right? So I want you to keep your grade 2 level of pick-me participation. And how can we do that in the next few weeks here? Well, one, let's keep the kid that loved to answer questions in class. Now, there is one challenge, right, to answering a question in class. There's a chance you could be wrong. Just like some of you were wrong when I asked, hey, what's the top, 3 movie of all time, right? And it's not great to be wrong in front of people, but you now know the right answer. In this case, Avatar 2, Avatar, and Endgame, right? But watch my face when I'm wrong in grade 7 math. Watch what happens to my face when I'm wrong in grade 7 math. Watch. So there I am in grade 7 math. I'm answering your question. Yes, Andy? In school. It's wrong. Oh, okay. See that? That's called learning. So you get out the wrong answer in class. It's like some of you got out the wrong answer in what's the top 3 grossing movies of all time. You maybe even learn the word grossing, highest grossing. Oh, okay, that's what that means. Now you know, you'll never forget it. You'll tell somebody you know later on today. You get out the wrong answer, the right answer comes in. That's called learning. So let's keep that up. It's great to be wrong in class, because now